Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to fast forward on YouTube TV. Alright, let's begin. To fast forward a movie or show, start by opening the YouTube TV app. For example, if you're watching John Wick 3, simply select the movie from the library. Once the movie is playing, look for the forward option on your screen. You can fast forward by clicking this option multiple times to skip ahead by 15 seconds each time. Alternatively, you can use the seeker bar at the bottom of the screen. Just click and drag the seeker bar to the desired point in the movie. This allows you to jump to any part of the film that you want to watch. Once you've reached your desired point, simply press play to continue watching. Fast forwarding is a great way to skip through parts of a movie or show that you may not want to see, making your viewing experience more enjoyable and efficient. So that's basically how you can fast forward on YouTube TV. And that's it for this video. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up. Thanks.